Part of the Sfira, Yesod, like I mentioned a few times, is relationship, is foundation, is connection. Hod of Yesod is something that we don't take so much note to, but in any type of relationship, especially marriage, we tend to develop habits. And in any relationship, it's not only specifically in a marriage, even in my relationship with myself and even in my relationship with Hashem, I tend to create and develop habits. Now, many things in my life that I'm used to, that I do, and I do them because I'm used to. If you look at your life, at many things that you do, try to question, why do I do it? And you'll see that in many times, you do it because it's a habit. And you're doing it like a robot. Is a habit a good thing or not? Soon we're going to see if a habit is a good thing. Sometimes habits is a good thing. But nevertheless, sometimes you need to go out of your routine. A habit is also a certain routine, that you do something repetitively. And sometimes you need to go out of this routine. And that's actually a good thing. To go out of the routine, this is, in the Kabbalistic term, called to reveal the Hod of Yesod. I mean, when we're going through all these Sfirot, then I'm not going to say fancy words or to just sit here and warm a chair. I want to see where's this Sfira in me. A Sfira is a certain mechanism in me that is causing me to do something. So when I need to go out of my schedule, out of my routine, what they call here a day off or vacation or something, sometimes I just need a couple days off. I need to go out of my routine. This is revealing the Hod Yesod in my soul. Now, in some cases, habits and routine is very, very good. And if I have a good habit, it's good in some cases. But there's always a danger in habits. If you're getting yourself into a routine and you're very disciplined, and this is when I wake up, and this is when I go to work, and this is when I work out, and this is when I eat, and this is when I pray, this is very good habits. Anything you put yourself in a habit is good, but there's a great danger in habits. Why? Because when something is becoming too repetitive, then you know what happens? Then I start taking things for granted. That's the danger in a habit.